Friends, I'm Neeraj Nidhi, and in this video I will tell you how to activate VBA Developer tab in Excel sheet. Before I start, let me tell you something about VBA. So friends, VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. It's an event-driven programming language in which automation and repetition. VBA is effective and efficient when it comes to repetitive solution to formatting or correction problem. For example, have you ever changed the style of the paragraph at the top of each page in Word? Have you ever had to reformat multiple tables that were pasted from Excel into a Word document or an Outlook email? Have you ever had to make the same change in multiple Outlook contacts? If you have a change that you have to make more than 10 or 12 times, it may be worth automating it with VBA. If it is a change that you have to do hundreds of times, it certainly is worth considering. Almost any formatting or editing change that you can do by hand can be done in VBA. Extensions to user interaction. There are times when you want to encourage or compel user to interact with the Office application or document in a particular way that is not part of a standard application. For example, you might want to prompt user to take some particular action when they open, save, or print a document. Interaction between Office applications. Do you need to copy all of your contact from Outlook to Word and then format them in some particular way? Or do you need to move data from Excel to a set of PowerPoint slides? Sometimes simple copy and paste does not do what you want it to do, or it is too slow. You can use VBA programming to interact with the detail of two or more Office applications at the same time and then modify the content in one application based on the content in another. Doing things another way. VBA programming is a powerful solution, but it is not always the optimal approach. Sometimes it makes sense to use other ways to achieve your aims. The critical question to ask is whether there is an easier way. Before you begin a VBA project, consider the built-in tool and standard functionalities. For example, if you have a time-consuming editing or layout task, consider using style or accelerate keys to solve the problem. Can you perform the task once and then use Ctrl Y redo to repeat it? Can you create a new document with the correct format or template and then copy the content into the new document? Office applications are powerful. The solution that you need may already be there. Take some time to learn more about Office before you jump into programming. Before you begin a VBA project, ensure that you have the time to work with VBA. Programming requires focus and can be unpredictable, especially as a beginner. Never turn to programming unless you have time to work carefully. Trying to write a quick script to solve a problem when a deadline looms can result in a very stressful situation. If you are in rush, you might want to use conventional methods even if they are monotonous and repetitive. So friends, now I will tell you how to add or activate developer tab in Excel sheet. So for that you need to open an Excel sheet. Here is my Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, I don't have the developer tab in menu bar. If you see, my menu bar starts from File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, Data Review, View, Inquiry, Power, Pivot. Now, to add the developer tab in the menu bar, click on the File option, then a list will appear in the left. Then select the options. Then after clicking the options, Excel options window will appear. In this you will find multiple options in the left. From the options in the left, select the customize ribbon. After selecting customize ribbon or clicking on customize ribbon, you will find two lists. First list is for popular commands. Second list is for main tab. Under main tab, you will find multiple lists. From this list, please click on the box before developer. Then click on OK. Then you will see developer tab will appear in the menu bar with option for Visual Basic. So this is how you can activate or add developer tab in your Excel menu bar. So this video is about how we can add or activate developer tab. In my next video, I will tell you the basic concepts of objects, methods, and properties. You can also follow me through my website or visit my website for more interesting blogs or videos. Or you can also follow me through Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. You can also subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share this video also. You can also follow me through Google Plus. So friends, thank you for watching my video and